So are we gonna go through the car wash this time?
No.
You sure?
No.
You said you wanted to. A minute ago you were begging to go on the car wash.
No! 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 No!
It was your idea. Let's do it.
No back! No car wash!
Come on. The car's dirty.
No car dirty! Oh! No, Dad!
It's okay.
No, Mommy, no! No car wash!
You said you wanted to.
No!
Come on.
No! No!
It'll be fun.
No! No! Mommy, no! Dad! Dad! Dad, play!
It's okay.
Dad! Dad! Mom, go, Dad!
Alright, here we go. You went too far forward.
No.
See, it didn't.
Dad!
See, it isn't going to spray the front of the car, and it's just spraying nothing back there.
Go this way!
I don't think you should go backwards. Definitely don't go backwards.
Go where? Go!
Okay, here come the spinners.
No, Dad!
We're going to get half a car wash.
Yes!
I went till it said stop.
This way! No! No, Dad! Move, Mommy! Move! Move! Mommy, move! Mommy, move! Go! Go, Mom! Go!
I can go in just a minute.
Okay.
It's okay.
You wanted to go through the car wash.
No.
All done. All done.